गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ मोशन के जो भी हमारा थ्योरेटिकल पोर्शन था वो हमारा कवर अप हो चुका है। अब हम 1 और 2 डेज इसके क्या डिस्कस करेंगे, न्यूमेरिकल डिस्कस करेंगे। आज हम न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन के ऊपर न्यूमेरिकल्स कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन में क्या है, टुडे वी टेक न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑन न्यूटन्स सेकंड लॉ, ठीक है। अब इसका जो बेसिक कंसेप्ट था, what is its basic, that force F is equal to ma, or we can say that force is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum. Then हमारे पास क्या है, मीन्स अगर आपके पास जहाँ पे लेट कोई बॉडी है और ब्लॉक है, ठीक है, इट्स मास इज m, if it is moving with, if we apply here a force F, then it moves with acceleration a. According to this, F is equal to ma. Force applied is equal to mass into its acceleration. Second case is that, अब let क्या है आपके पास, यहाँ पे let your mass is again m. Okay, here is a person and here is a kid. अब जो पर्सन है वो भी इसके ऊपर फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं और जो किड है वो भी इसके ऊपर फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. लेट दिस किड अप्लाई फोर्स इन दिस साइड एंड दिस पर्सन अप्लाई फोर्स इन दिस साइड, ठीक है. देन व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस मास इज मूविंग ऑन विच साइड, ऑब्वियसली इट इज मूविंग इन दिस साइड. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस पर्सन अप्लाई मोर फोर्स एज कंपेयर टू दिस किड. सो लेट हियर फोर्स इज F1 and here force is F2. Then what is the equation become now? F net is equal to again ma, net force. That is net force. How we have to find it? F1 minus F2 is equal to ma. Okay. Now let take this value is 100 Newton. Let this value is of 10 Newton. So 100 minus 10 is equal to, let mass is of 5 kg, 5 into a. If we have to find acceleration, that is 90 is equal to 5a, or 90 upon 5 is equal to a. 5 ones are 5, 4, 40, 5 eights are 40. Acceleration comes out to be 18 meter per second square. Okay, this is your first, this is your second concept. Now take a question number 3. Let now assume here is a block, again here is a block. This mass is of 3 kg, this mass is of 5 kg. Both are attached with a string, and here force applied is 100 Newton. Then what happens? These both blocks or masses are moving with acceleration a on this side. If this mass is of 3 kg and we have to make free body diagram to make our solution easy, free body diagram. What happens, as I told in previous lectures, that force always applied, force or tension, it always sorry, tension occurs in the string always. And for this mass, tension is away from the mass, tension is here, and for this mass, tension is here. Now free body diagram for this 3 kg mass is you can say here is mass 3 kg, here a force acts, that is normal reaction in upward direction, and due to gravity downward 3g, and tension is on this side and acceleration is again on this side. For 5 kg, this is our mass, that is of 5 kg. Here force applied is 100 Newton and on this side tension is T. Due to gravity, Here 5g, and upon upward side normal reaction occurs. Now we can write down the equations for both. Balance it. हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकली कंपोनेंट्स आपको बैलेंस करने हैं. For y direction, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Normal reaction is equal to 3g. Let acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square. So it comes out to be 3 into 10, that is 30 Newton, normal reaction. Now tension applied is on this side. T is equal to, हमारे पास for this we have to write F is equal to ma. Here force applied is tension due to string, so T is equal to mass is 3 kg into acceleration is a, or T is equal to 3 into T is equal to 3a. This is our first equation. From this, for y direction or y components, if we balance out, but we can write this is our x-axis, y-axis, n is equal to 5g, which is equal to 5 into 10, that is of 50 Newton. That is our normal reaction. For x-axis component is, here force is 100 Newton, here is 10, tension is T. So 100 minus T is equal to, but it comes out to be 100 minus T is equal to, F is equal to ma. Mass is 5 kg into a. That is, let this is equation number 2. From 1, T is equal to 3a. From 1, put value of T. We get 100 minus 3a is equal to 5a, or 100 is equal to 5a plus 3a, or 100 is equal to 8a. 100 upon 8 is equal to a. 4 2 is 8, 4 25 is this. So acceleration comes out to be 25 upon 2 meter per second square. This is the value for acceleration. Now put it in 1. Put in 1. We get T is equal to 3 into 25 upon 2, that is 75 upon 2 Newton is our tension. This is the value for tension applied. Next, fourth numerical देखिए. If we have 3 blocks, here I take only 2 blocks. If we have 3 blocks, what happens? Basics is your same. Let here 5 kg mass, then 6 kg. Let here mass is of 2 kg. Let here again 100 Newton force is applied. Here now tension T1. For this block tension comes out on this side, comes on this side. For this block again tension is on this side. For this block tension is away from the block. So for first we can write 5 kg mass, T1 is the tension, again in upward direction normal reaction, and downward direction 5g. For 6 kg mass, 6, tension applied is T2, in this case tension is T1, again downward direction 6g, and in upward direction normal reaction. Again mass is of 2 kg, for downward due to gravity 2g, in this side 100 Newton, here is T2, here normal reaction is N. Now for first, again N is equal to 5g, that is 5 into 10 is equal to 50 Newton. Next, what comes out to be, here is T1. T1 is equal to again F is equal to ma 5 into a. Let this is first equation. From second, what it comes out to be, acceleration is on this side, 100 Newton force is applied on this side, so it accelerate on this side, again it accelerate on this side, acceleration is on this side. Here it comes out to be T2 minus T1 is equal to ma, mass is 6a. Again n is equal to 6g. Let normal reaction is N1, N2 and N3. Let it is N2. That is 6 into 10 which is equal to 16 Newton again. Next is from third, what comes out to be 100 minus T2 for this is equal to 2 into A. And for vertical direction N3 is equal to 2g. For N3 is equal to 2 into 10 if acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second. So normal reaction is 20 Newton. Again from these equations, let it is 2, it is 3. T1 is equal to 5a. Put in 2, we get T2 minus 5a is equal to 6a, or T2 is equal to 11a. From third, put T1 in 2. Put value of T2 in 3. We get again 100 minus 11a is equal to 2a. 100 is equal to 13a, or 100 upon 13 is equal to a. Okay, this is the value of acceleration. Now put in 1, if we have to find, put in 1, put value of a, put value of a in 1 to calculate tension. We get T1 is equal to 5 into 100 upon 13, that is 500 upon 13 Newton. Tension T1. From here you can calculate T2 also by putting value of A. Acceleration is 100 upon 13 meter per second square. Hope you all understand these numericals. Thank you.